Hey, I have a second channel. Cube Comp MTDX.
Hey everybody, this is going to be cleaning out the Cube Computer Plexi. It's definitely been a while since this thing's been cleaned out. Well, heck, I don't think it's actually really seen a good cleaning since it was thrown together in late 2017. This one kind of gets overlooked because, well, it's an open chassis system. It's not enclosed like a regular computer, a regular desktop computer. So we're going to give this thing a nice cleaning out. I know the power supply is definitely due for a cleaning. There's your good 360 view of the Plexi. This is the side you don't normally see of the Plexi. Of course, this is a rebuilt Plexi. I rebuilt this in late 2017. For one, because the new tech room, I needed a computer to do servicing, and I had a system thrown together in an E-Machines chassis. And it's like, why not bring back the Plexi? And this Plexi also is in honor, in memory of Michael Healy, which was the computer engineering and programming teacher at Hopewell High School. For those who didn't know, Michael Healy was the one who coined up the term cube computer. That's what he originally called these things, were cube computers, and I ran with it and called it the Plexi, and of course there we have Cube Computer Company. That being said, let's go ahead and clean this thing out, or should I say clean it off. Not really cleaning it out, we're just cleaning it off. So anyways, here we go. Okay, let's go and have a look. Yeah, this one wasn't too bad because, well, again, it's an open chassis. It's not an enclosed system. Power supply was probably the dirtiest thing on it because, I mean, the power supply is technically enclosed. It wouldn't be safe to run a power supply open on this. That's, of course, why the PSU was closed. But we did a good look at everything. I had just swapped out the processor on this pretty recently. I went from an Athlon 2 245E processor to the Athlon 2 Quad 630, just a simple drop-in install. So yeah, guys, the rebuilt Plexi looks nearly identical to the original. I did, however, orient the drives a little different on this one. And the sun is just about to set. The mid-tower lux, my system is definitely due for a cleaning, but I'll be doing it here in the coming weeks, probably next month, I would guess, because I'm getting ready to order hard drives for it, because the storage, I'm getting low on disk space in that thing. It's time to upgrade the storage in it. But yeah, the mid-tower lux is definitely due for a cleaning, and I'll be doing a video of it when I clean it. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well, everybody, that wraps up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to CubeComputer channel, and be sure to tick the bell, that way you get notified of new video posts. Also, I recommend following CubeComputer Company on Facebook. A link is in the video description. In addition to computer tech videos, I have a second channel, CubeComp MTDX. Links are available at the end of this video. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching and your support.